In this video, I'm going to show you how I make smoked salmon. Now, let's go ahead and clear something up. I was told that if I got me a brine, get me a bowl with some water, add some kosher salt to it, and soak my salmon, that I can get rid of that white substance that comes off of salmon. And listen, the name of that is called albumin. Get yourself a large bowl, big enough that you can cover your salmon, and then put about 4 or 5 tablespoons of kosher salt, and then stir it around, get it all mixed up, and then go ahead and insert your salmon. Now here you can see the albumin, how it came out, after it was cooked. So listen, if you don't like to see that, you can just take yourself a paper towel and then you can just like pat it down and just clean it up. Again, that's just a protein and it's not fat.